Today we are making chopped salad with a Japanese twist. Roasted Satsumaimo sweet potatoes and chopped vegetables are tossed with miso vinaigrette dressing. We are also mixing in the black tea pork tenderloin we cooked before. Complete recipe is posted on JapaneseCooking101.com. Peel the sweet potato and dice into half-inch cubes. We are using Japanese sweet potato today, but you can use a different kind of potato or any vegetables that's good for roasting. Coat them with the oil and roast for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Let cool and set aside. Next, we are preparing the broccoli. Cut the broccoli into small florets and cook in boiling water for 2 minutes or less, depending on how you like it to be cooked. Let cool and chop into smaller pieces. Slice the carrot very thinly and cut into thin matchsticks. Slice the red onion and dice into quarter-inch cubes. Cut the romaine lettuce into half-inch squares. And cut the cucumber into half-inch cubes as well. Halve the cherry tomatoes. And cube the pork tenderloin cooked in black tea into half-inch pieces. Check out our black tea pork recipe if you have not already, or you can use chicken or any other protein. Now we are making the dressing. Add the miso paste, sugar or sweetener of choice, and rice vinegar, and whisk. Add the grated garlic, oil, and some grated Parmesan cheese, and mix well. Finally, add all of the prepared vegetables, edamame, roasted and cooled potatoes, and pork. Toss them well with the dressing. You can choose whatever ingredients you like and find your own favorite. We didn't incorporate nuts and fruits, but include those if you prefer. Chopped salad is healthy and satisfying dish and great for lunch or dinner. Hope you give it a try soon.
美味しい。美味しいね。